Hi everyone, welcome to this new video tutorial. So in this video I will show you how you can reset your Facebook password, especially if you forgot your old password. As you can see in my case, I did forgot my old password, and in this video tutorial I will show you how you can reset this password. So let's get started, and first thing to do is copy your email and click on forgotten password, as you can see. And here, as you can see, I have two choices: either sending a code via SMS on my mobile phone or getting a code in my Gmail account. So let's first try the Gmail account. As you can see, you can choose the phone number if you have your number. If you don't have the option of the email, or if you don't use your email, so now let's navigate through the email. As you can see, here is the code. Just copy the code and paste it here. Click continue. Now everything is great. Now the next thing to do is defining a new password. So let's set a new password. And if your account is hacked or something like that, you can check this box. That means that you will log out everywhere, and no one else can have access to your account anymore, especially saved password and sessions that are already opened in other devices. So I'm going to check that and continue. And as you can see, it is done now. Everything is working great. Now I have access to my Facebook. As you can see, I have also access to my ads compile. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you to regain access to your Facebook account. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a like and a comment. Thank you for watching.